Sige.
You know, sometimes you have to...
Labate! You know sometimes...
Dili kanya no. You are overqualified for what reason?
Sige, paminaw, smile lang, paminaw. Dili lagi.
This is how he told me.
That's how you talk.
Yo, okay, good. He told me like, I'm sorry, mom, but you passed all the exam and everything, but everything. It's just that you are leaving from the country and we're looking for someone that are really staying for a long time. It's like, what's wrong with that? Working like for a couple of months. Well, we can't. You're overqualified.
For what reason?
Because she's not
Living in the
staying.
country is not an overqualified reason. You know what? It's not an overqualified reason.
Di, tagayin lang ka ng tambal imong mama, Jeep, pang high blood.
Sige, dayan. Dayan. Sana. Makaihi na. Sige, anya. Sunod ba?
Ako di.
Sunod ba? Again, sunod.
Do the something.
Sige, Mai.
And then, what
Then, what the?